name's Kent. I'm with KV Auto Sales. We use a scratch out kit by Applied Colors. It has been amazing. It saved us a lot of money in travel, going and getting paint. It's very simple to mix up. Turns a 2-hour process into a 15-minute process. Saves us a lot of time and money.
My name is Eric, owner of Ace Car Reconditioning. We use an Applied Colors touch-up system. We do about $1,000 worth of touch-up repair a month. Our cost on that is $40. Our detailers find it very easy to use, and our customers are really happy with the results.